So this video is for you if you want to learn how to declutter like a boss. So downsizing a lifetime of stuff can feel like starring in your own episode of Hoarders the musical. But don't worry, with a little humor and strategy, you'll be dancing through the chaos in no time. Here's how to tackle it. So number one, start early because last minute freakouts aren't cute. Procrastination leads to panic. Give yourself plenty of time to part with that broken toaster you've been meaning to fix since the Reagan administration. Number two, picture your new clutter-free life. Visualize your new space. Will that oversized beanbag chair or collection of 72 coffee mugs fit? If not, it's time to let it go. Number three, begin where you feel no guilt. Start in the bathroom. Nobody's emotionally attached to expired sunscreen or that shampoo bottle with 3 drops left. Consider it your practice round. Number four, meet the 4-box dream team. Get 4 boxes and label them. 1, keep, you actually need it really. 2, donate, spread the joy of unused bread maker. Number 3, sell because your vintage Beanie Babies could fund dinner maybe. And 4, trash, everything the Goodwill will side-eye. Number 5, take it 1 bite at a time. Rome wasn't decluttered in a day. Commit to 30-minute sessions like decluttering sprints. Bonus, you can stop for snacks or wine in between. Number 6, ask yourself the tough questions. When was the last time I used this? If you have to squint to remember, it's time to say goodbye. Do I like this? If it's ugly, why are you hanging on to it? Does it spark joy or just dust? Number 7, sentimental stuff. Digitize, baby. Take photos of old trophies, kid art, or love letters. Now you can remember them without lugging around a box of macaroni necklaces. I am Kelly Ham, your senior real estate specialist and the dancing broker. Contact me if I can help you conquer your clutter to downsize into that coveted 1-story home to enjoy your golden years for as long as possible. Thanks for watching.